here's another shooting video of the big guns. Everything on here works. The only negatives on here are I've got a little bit of wear right there. You can touch that up with some paint. I've got a chipped plastic off the top here. Over here, this drop target works fine. The motor that pushes it up works fine. It needs, watch out, James. If you look down here at the little brackets, this needs a new bracket right here to hold it in place just a little bit better. It doesn't always pop up that last drop target. Underneath here, looks like most of these are still the original bulbs. Might be a few LEDs floating around in here, but it works. Let's see here. Hey James, you want to play it again for me? I'm gonna have my son here secure and play it for just a second with the top off here. James, push a button. Oh, four players? Okay, we'll just do one or two balls. Go ahead and launch it. So if you're not familiar with this game, and I'll try to hold the camera still. Yeah, it is. It's going to be loud for a minute. Go ahead and launch the ball again. It's not this loud when you have the glass on. But you've got a baguette that pops up and down. You have a physical kickback in this. You have a lane diverter that works down here. You've got 4 flippers. You've got 2, 3 drop target banks. See, the drop target thing popped up just fine that time, so no issues. It doesn't do it 100% of the time.
That comes up sometimes.
Yeah, the little baguette comes up sometimes. Now, we're going to cheat just a little bit. Go ahead and launch it, James. Whoops. The cool thing about this game, or the coolest thing, let me zoom out here. The coolest thing about this game is probably the cannon loading. So you can load the cannons, and it'll physically shoot them out. See that? Here, let's try that again.
And the teams change.
Shoots the ball physically through the air.
And also the teams change their roles.
Yeah, and you've got 2 cannons that'll shoot. Oh, it looks like, go ahead. Just about ready for a multi-ball there, I think. Oops. Let me grab that again. So cool watching that go. And you can see the little baguette pops up and down a little bit too. Here. So, depending on what goes on, there's a physical ball safe down here that'll pop up and down. And you've got your king's chamber up here. We're gonna launch the ball up there. And you got this baguette up here for an extra ball. Ooh, it's ready?
Fire at will!
Oh, look at that. The ball is launched at the same time. Ooh, a 3-ball multi-ball there. Got a really cool System 11 game. This back glass is not the original back glass. I'm not sure exactly what's going on here. The glass that's covering this up here is obviously a replacement and is maybe an inch narrower than the whole back glass thing itself. But you've got what looks like a repo translite taped to the back of it. And you've got these drop targets back here.
I don't know what happens.
I'm not sure. I don't even know how it works. Oh, there you go. Shoot the bad guys and they pop back up. Like I said, this little guy here this third one isn't popping up 100% of the time, but it's probably just that bracket underneath needs to be adjusted a little bit. So you got your, let's see, force field up. So there's something here you can shoot, but if you hit that, it'll redo the 3-bank. Let's see what goes up here. Whoops. Come on. Ooh. 2x score now. But it's set on free play. And it's all really nice. I mean, there's hard to see, there's a little bit of Mylar. But there we go. Oh, it's searching for the ball, James. Throw it back up there. Load the gun. Go ahead, James. There we go. But everything works. Ooh, extra ball. All right. Oh, and a quick walk around of the cabinet.